Question number 7. Find the points which divide the line segment joining A minus 4, 0 and B 0, 6 into 4 equal parts. We have to find the points which are dividing the AB line segment in 4 equal parts. Okay, given A is equals to minus 4, 0 and B is 0, 6. Let the 3 points, name it as P, Q, R, be the points which divide AB in 4 equal parts. See, this is a line segment AB and PQR dividing a line AB in 4 equal parts. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part. Okay. From here we can see that Q is the midpoint of AB as it is in the middle of AB. So it means Q is the midpoint of AB. So by midpoint formula we can find Q value first. After getting Q value, then we can say P is the midpoint of AQ. Okay, so we will get Q value now. For R is nothing but midpoint of Q and B. So we can use here also midpoint, but taking B and Q as the points. For P, we have to take A and Q. P is midpoint of A and Q. Okay, so for this, first we have to find Q. Q is the midpoint of AB. Q is the midpoint of AB and P is the midpoint of AQ and R is the midpoint of QB. So first we will find Q. Okay, Q is midpoint of AB. So Q is equals to midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. A point and B point. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, x1 plus x2 minus 4 plus 0 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, minus 4 plus 0 is nothing but minus 4 by 2. 0 plus 6 is 6 by 2. Now cancel 2 ones are 2 twos are. So minus 2, 2 ones are 2 threes are. Minus 2, 3. Therefore, Q of x, y is equals to minus 2, 3. Minus 2, 3. Okay, now we got these two values. Now we can find P value. P is midpoint of AQ. P is the midpoint of A and Q. A point is minus 4, 0 and Q is minus 2, 3. Okay, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. P of x, y is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is x1 minus 4 plus minus 2. Minus 4 plus into minus 2 by 2, 0 plus 3 by 2. Minus 4 plus into minus 2 by 2 is equals to 3 by 2. Minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6 by 2, 0 plus 3 is 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So minus 3, 3 by 2. So P of x, y is minus 3 by 2. Now third point, R. R is the midpoint of Q and B. See, R is the midpoint of Q and B. Q point is minus 2, 3 and B is 0, 6. Okay. R of x, y is equals to midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. So x1 is minus 2 plus x2 is 0 by 2, y1 is 3, y2 is 6 by 2. Minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2. 3 plus 6 is 9 by 2, same as it is. 2 ones are that is minus 1, 9 by 2. Therefore, R of x, y is equals to minus 1, 9 by 2. Next question, question number 8 is same like previous one. This equal parts question. Okay. Question number 9. Find the point which divides the line segment joining these 2 points A plus B, A minus B and A minus B, A plus B. These are the 2 points. Okay. In the ratio 3:2 internally. Here ratio and the point has given and it is saying divide. So we will use section formula. That is P of x, y is equals to m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2, m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. Okay. And the 2 points given as A plus B, A minus B, B, A minus B, A plus B. Okay. we have to find the point. Let P of x comma y divides AB in the ratio 3:2 internally. So P of x comma y, this one formula. Okay, this is x1, this is y1, and this is x2, and this is y2. And the ratio is, this is m1 and m2. Okay, m1 is 3 into x2 is a minus b. Okay, plus m2 is 2 bracket x1 is a plus b by m1 plus m2, 3 plus 2, comma m1 is 3 and y2 is a plus b, right, in bracket. Okay, because two terms are there, we have to multiply this 3 with these two terms, so we have to write in bracket. Okay, plus m2 is 2 bracket y1 is a minus b by m1 plus m2, that is 3 plus 2. Now multiply 3 into a is 3a minus 3 into b is 3b plus 2 into a is 2a plus 2b by 3 plus 2 is 5, comma 3 into a is 3a plus 3 into b is 3b, 2a plus into minus minus 2 into b is 2b by 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, now here 3a, here 2a, a terms. Okay, 3 plus 2 is 5a, here 2b and minus 3b. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. So minus 1b is minus b by 5. Here 3a plus 2a is 5a. Okay, 3b minus 2b, that is 3 minus 2 is 1, 1b, that is b by 5. Therefore, P of x comma y is equals to 5a minus b by 5 comma 5a plus b by 5. Question number 10. Find the centroid of a triangle with the given vertices. First question, minus 1 comma 3, 6 comma minus 3 and minus 3 comma 6 are the vertices. Okay, we have to find the centroid of a triangle. Centroid formula is nothing but x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3. We have to just substitute these values. This is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. x1 plus x2 plus x3 minus 1 plus 6 minus 3 by 3 comma y1 is 3 plus y2 is minus 3. Okay, plus y3 is 6. Now minus 1 plus 6 plus into minus minus 3 upon 3 comma 3 plus into minus minus 3 plus 6. Okay, so negative term 6 minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Add both these numbers because they are both of same sign, they are both negative. Okay, add and put negative sign. 6 minus 4 by 3 comma this 3 gets cancelled because this is plus 3 and this is minus 3. 6 by 3, 3 ones are 3 twos are. Okay, 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. Here 6 minus 4 is 2, 2 by 3 comma 2. Question number 11. Find the point A x comma y when C divides AB in the ratio 2:3. Point B and C are given as minus 5 comma 8 and 3 comma 6. This is B point and this is C point. Okay, C is dividing A and B in the ratio 2:3. So we have to use the section formula here. Okay, see, AB is a line segment and C is dividing AB in the ratio 2:3. We have to find A, that is x comma y, and C is 3 comma 6 and B is minus 5 comma 8. Here we can't use midpoint formula because it is not in the middle. Here 2 is there, here 3. Okay, both the values are different, so it is dividing in the ratio 2:3. So we have to use section formula here. C divides AB in the ratio 2:3. So A is x comma y and B is minus 5 comma 8. C is dividing, so we will write C value here. Okay, C is 3 comma 6 and section formula is this. Okay, so M1, this is M1. So this is M1, M2 and these 2 points are x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, C is dividing these 2 points. So we will write C value here, that is 3 comma 6 is equals to M1 is 2 into x2 is minus 5 plus M2 is 3 into x1 is x by m1 plus m2, 2 plus 3, comma, m1 is 2 and y2 is 8, 2 into 8 plus m2 is 3, y1 is y by m1 plus m2, that is 2 plus 3. Okay, 3 comma 6 is equals to, minus is there, so 2 5 are 10, minus 10 plus 3 into x is 3x by 5, 2 plus 3 is 5, comma, 2 8s are 16 plus 3 into y is 3y by 5. Okay, 2 plus 3 is 5. Now here is equal to sign is there, so first value will be equated with first value and second will be equated with second. This is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinate. Okay, minus 10 plus 3x by 5 is equals to 3 and 16 plus 3y by 5 is equals to 6. Okay, now cross multiply. 5 into 3 is 15. This one same as it is, minus 10 plus 3x is equals to 15. We want x value, so transpose this minus 10 here, it will become plus 10. 3x is equals to 15 plus 10. 3x is equals to 15 plus 10 is 25. X is equals to 25. This 3 will go in the denominator, so 25 by 3. Similarly for y value, 16 plus 3y by 5 is equals to 6. This second with second value. Okay, so cross multiply here, it will become 6 5 so 30 multiplication. Okay, 6 plus 3y is equals to 30, 3y is equals to 30, 16 will become minus 16 after transposing to the right side. Okay, 30 minus 16, so 3y is equals to 30 minus 16 is 14, y value will be 14. This 3 will go in the denominator, 14 by 3. So y is equals to 14 by 3 and x is equals to 25 by 3 and a coordinate is x comma y. So x is 25 by 3 and y is 14 by 3. So therefore a point is this. Question number 12. The line segment AB meets the coordinate axis in points A and B. If point P3,6 divides AB in the ratio 2:3, then find the point A and B. AB meets coordinate axis in points A and B. This is the line. It is meeting at coordinate axis. As we know, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay, so A is meeting at x-axis and B is y-axis. At x-axis, x value will be x and y will be 0. This is y-axis, so x will be 0 and this is y. Okay, so A and B are this, and P is dividing AB in the ratio 2:3 and P value is 3,6. Since it is dividing and ratio is also there, so we have to use the section formula here. Okay, so the P point 3,6 divides AB in the ratio 2:3. So A is nothing but x, 0 and B is 0, y. For coordinate axis, for x-axis y will be 0, for y-axis x will be 0 and the ratio is 2:3. P is dividing A and B. So P of x, y is equals to m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2, m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2, where m1, m2 are nothing but ratio, x1, y1, x2, y2 are the points of A and B. Okay, P has already given as this point is dividing A and B. So this is 3,6 is equals to m1 is 2, x2 is 0 plus m2 is 3 into x1 is x. Okay, by m1 plus m2 is 2 plus 3, comma, m1 y2, m1 is 2 into y2 is y, 2 into y, plus m2 is 3 into y1 is 0 by m1 plus m2, that is 2 plus 3. 2 zeros is 0 plus 3 into x is 3x by 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 into y is 2y plus 3 into 0 is 0. 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay. So 3,6 is equals to 0 plus 3x is nothing but 3x. 3x by 5. Comma 2y plus 0 means 2y by 5. Okay. So first term with first and second with second. Okay. Because is equal to sign is there. So we can equate these two terms and these two terms. 3x by 5 is equals to 3 and 2y by 5 is equals to 6. Okay, multiply here, it will become 3 into 5 which is equals to 15. 3x is equals to 15. Then x will be 15 by 3. These 3 goes in the denominator. Now cancel it. 3 ones are 3 5s are. So x is equals to 5. Similarly, 2y by 5 is equals to 6. Multiply. 6 5s are 30. 2y is equals to 30. Then y is equals to 30 upon 2. These 2 goes in the denominator. 30 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 15s are 30. So y is 15. A value is x comma 0. We got x 5, so 5 comma 0. B is 0 comma y. So 0 comma y is 15. Therefore, A is 5 comma 0 and B is 0 comma 15.